Ito yung the pan, the palace pan. So dati dito si ano, pastor? Dati dito si Nabucodonosor. Ayan.
Take your son. And Abraham answering, which one? I have two. And his God said,
Tingnan nyo yung ano, yung mga style nila ba, yung mga carving.
each one of them
Ganon din yung mga style nung napunta kami sa
to his mother.
Capernaum, the city of Jesus.
One that you love.
Ganyan din eh,
And he
yung
said,
mga
I love
carving.
them both.
Ayan o,
Then he said,
original carving yan, yung mga design nila. Ayan o, original carving. Ayan. Wow. Ayun o. Nasa movie ito eh. Alam niyo ba yung ano, The Chronicles of Narnia? Yan, nasa movie ito.
but here, when God said, bring your only son, you bring
Para siyang pakpak ng angel.
the only son that was given to you when you were 99 years old, and now you are 137, because chapter 23, Sarah died, and the rabbi said Sarah died because she heard that Abraham taking her son as a son.
Oh, so yan ang itsura dati. Ito. So before that's what look like.
Human sacrifices their children because they
Oh, this thing look like before.
best portion.
Ay, maraming mga ano.